Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hi to all you automotive adventurers, feeling uneasy about saying no to a mechanic's suggestions. In today's video, let's conquer that fear together. We will share some tips to empower you to confidently navigating those repair recommendations by accepting or rejecting them. Stay tuned to take control of your car care decisions. Overcome the fear of saying no to a mechanic. Are you afraid to say no to a mechanic because your car is on his lift? Many people feel uneasy when dealing with auto repairs, often feeling pressured to agree to unnecessary services. In this post, we will discuss the importance of confidently asserting your needs when working with a mechanic and provide tips for effective communication in these situations. Whether you're getting a routine oil change or facing more extensive repairs, it's essential to feel empowered to make informed decisions about your vehicle without fear or intimidation. The fear of saying no to a mechanic, the importance of setting boundaries. When it comes to dealing with a mechanic, it's essential to recognize the significance of setting boundaries. As a car owner, you have the right to make informed decisions about your vehicle. By clearly defining your limits and communicating them effectively, you can ensure that the mechanic understands your expectations and respects your choices. Setting boundaries not only empowers you as a consumer, but also establishes a framework for a mutually beneficial relationship with the mechanic. Understanding the power dynamic. The power dynamic between a mechanic and a car owner can often lead to reluctance in saying no. It's natural to feel a sense of vulnerability when entrusting your vehicle to a professional. However, understanding this power dynamic is crucial in asserting your autonomy. By acknowledging the expertise of the mechanic while also valuing your own knowledge of your car, you can navigate this relationship with confidence. Recognizing the balance of power allows for assertiveness without diminishing the value of the mechanic's skills. Reasons for hesitation: lack of automotive knowledge. Many car owners feel hesitant to say no to a mechanic due to their lack of automotive knowledge. The complexities of a vehicle and the technical jargon used by mechanics can be intimidating. Without a good understanding of how a car operates, it's natural to feel uncertain when questioning a mechanic's recommendations. Fear of confrontation. Another reason for hesitation is the fear of confrontation. Some individuals may find it uncomfortable to challenge the expertise of a mechanic, worrying that they may appear ignorant or confrontational. This fear of conflict can lead to agreeing to services or repairs that may not be necessary. Trust in the mechanic. Without a solid foundation of trust in the mechanic, car owners may feel apprehensive about declining their recommendations. Trust is pivotal in any professional relationship, and the absence of it can make it challenging for car owners to confidently express their concerns or skepticism. Consequences of not speaking up about unnecessary repairs. When you hesitate to voice your concerns to a mechanic, you risk unnecessary repairs on your vehicle. Without clear communication, the mechanic might proceed with additional services that aren't essential, leading to inflated costs and wasted time. It's crucial to assert your needs and communicate openly to avoid unnecessary expenses and preventable repairs. Overcharging. Failing to express your apprehensions about suggested repairs can result in overcharging by a mechanic. Without vocalizing your doubts, you may be susceptible to unfair charges for services that your car may not even require. It's essential to advocate for yourself and ensure that you are not being taken advantage of financially. Potential safety risks. Neglecting to speak up about your concerns with a mechanic can pose potential safety risks for you and your vehicle. If you have reservations about the proposed repairs and choose to remain silent, you could be jeopardizing the safety and performance of your car. It's vital to address any safety-related apprehensions with the mechanic to prioritize the well-being of yourself and others on the road. How to overcome the fear. Educate yourself about your car. Understanding the basics of your vehicle's make, model, and common maintenance needs can empower you when speaking with a mechanic. For instance, knowing when your car is due for an oil change, tire rotation, or brake check can give you the confidence to engage in informed discussions with the mechanic. Take the time to read your owner's manual and get to know the maintenance schedule recommended by the manufacturer. This knowledge will help you communicate more effectively and feel less intimidated when dealing with car repairs. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, Drop a comment below and a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Establish clear communication. Effective communication with your mechanic is crucial to ensuring your needs are understood and addressed. Clearly describe any issues or concerns you have about your vehicle using simple and concise language. If there are specific symptoms or noises you've noticed, provide detailed information to assist the mechanic in diagnosing the problem accurately. Additionally, do not be afraid to ask questions and get things clarified if something is unclear. By maintaining an open line of communication, you can build trust and alleviate the fear of being taken advantage of. Seek a second opinion. Always get a second opinion if you feel uncertain about the proposed repairs or costs. Consulting another mechanic can provide you with valuable insights and different perspectives on the issue at hand. This step can offer peace of mind and help you make informed decisions about the best course of action for your vehicle. By exploring multiple viewpoints, you can gain confidence in your choices and reduce the anxiety associated with making decisions about car repairs. Empowering yourself as a car owner. Finding a trustworthy mechanic. When it comes to finding a trustworthy mechanic, it's essential to do your research. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, and colleagues, as personal referrals often lead to reliable and skilled professionals. Additionally, consider reading online reviews and ratings to gauge the experiences of other car owners. Look for a mechanic who is transparent about their pricing and services, and who communicates effectively about the work being done on your vehicle. Transparency and clear communication are key indicators of a trustworthy mechanic. Building confidence in decision-making. Empowering yourself as a car owner involves building confidence in decision-making. Educate yourself about basic car maintenance and common car issues. Having a foundational understanding of how your car works can help you make informed decisions when it comes to repairs and maintenance. When discussing repairs with a mechanic, don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification on any terms or procedures that may be unfamiliar to you. By actively participating in the decision-making process, you can ensure that your car receives the best care possible. It's crucial to prioritize your best interests when dealing with a mechanic. Never feel pressured to agree to additional services or repairs that you're unsure about. Trust your instincts and seek a second opinion if needed. By being assertive and informed, you can ensure that your car receives the necessary and appropriate attention without unnecessary upselling or overcharging. Remember, your peace of mind is just as important as your vehicle's maintenance. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more useful automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.